security force. Paid for by Mayor Osborne.
Oh, the mayor has a pet army now?
Next time you get in my way, I will not be so gentle. Go. We'll talk later.
Hey, sorry about that Sable thing. I should have told you earlier, but it all happened so fast.
It's okay. We're still best buds.
We're not best buds.
Well, that took a dark turn.
Anyway, Sable has the mayor's ear and unchecked authority. We've searched that address you gave me, found plenty of evidence of a bomb plot, but nothing that leads back to Martin Lee.
I'm working on that. Hey, MJ.
Hey, so I dredged up some records on Martin Lee's other business holdings. He's got places all over the city.
Huh. The locations line up with a map I found at that shipping business. I'll check them out.
Let me know what you find at each one, and I'll work on building a case.
You got it. I'm headed to Lee's office at Feast to see if I can learn more about why he's doing this. And what he's got planned next.
Okay, say hi to May for me. Wait, you don't think she's in danger, do you?
No. Lee's only got one target on his mind. Norman Osborn.
Sable ground teams. Need a status report from Upper Chinatown.
Need reinforcements at Outpost Foxtrot. We're taking fire.
Missed another call from Doc.
Peter, I wanted to make sure you're still available. I can't pay you yet, but I've pulled enough strings to keep the wolves from the door a bit longer. If we can get up and running, I know this new version of the project will attract investment. Massive investment. Stay ready.
Fingers triple crossed, Doc.
This is Sable Control, requesting sitrep on our position in Seaport.
Control. Demons are attacking Checkpoint Zulu.
Perfect.
Ground teams, this is Control. What's the situation in the financial district?
Control. APC Bravo engaging demons.
This is Sable Control. What's the situation in Battery Park?
Control.
Sorry.
Checkpoint under assault. It's the demons.
Wow. Just
How's it going?
Dual high fives! Best day ever!
Jameson.
What? You don't think the mayor's security was doing their job?
Sooner or later it does. If we listen to him...
Ground team, this is
You don't
Control.
say something
What's
bad's
the
gonna happen
situation in the
long enough.
financial
Sooner or
district?
later.
Nailed it.
Outpost is under siege by demons.
You gotta... I'll give him another try.
He'll set you free too!
I'll call this guy an ambulance. Hope they can help him. I knew Jameson was wrong about you.
This is Control. Boss wants a status update on 2 bridges. Over.
Good shot.
Rooftop outpost under fire from demons. Stupid Spider-Man!
There must be more clues in Lee's office at Feast.
This is Control. Boss wants a status update on 2 bridges. Over.
Demons are firing on our APC.
Calling Sable agents stationed in Little Italy. Need a status update.
Control. Demons are attacking Checkpoint Zulu.
Boss wants a status update on 2 bridges. Over.
Control, rooftop outpost under fire from demons.
This is Control. Boss wants a status update on 2 bridges. Over.
Demons firing on our position. Need backup.
This is Sable Control. Requesting sit rep on our position in Seaport.
Control, checkpoint under assault.
Seriously, I want
It's
one.
the demons.
Lovely. I gotta run. Borrow that. It's not like Sable International's on my friends list. The demons are way worse. Hey, rooftops are for barbecues, not firefights.
I got a motor, but man, it's fighting so cool.
This is Control. Need a sit rep for Corlear's Hook.
Demons firing on our position. Need backup.
My kid loves you.
New profile pic.
Lee's using these guys as sleeper agents. He needs a doctor, not a jail cell. I'll make sure he gets one. Mott Street, the main street of Chinatown. Touristy, but fun.
This is Control. Need a sit rep for Corlear's Hook.
Traffic control point Charlie taking fire from demons.
We got enough problems.
One of Howard's pigeons. It's getting away. Nothing like putting my skills to good use. Confucius Plaza. I could use some of his wisdom right about now.
I got a business.
can I fail at pigeon catching?
Tying you to the demons and City Hall. You gotta get pushed out of school. Wow.
Excuse me, pardon me?
This is a dream come true. You
you like
Pigeon alert. The chase is on.
Spider-Man?
Come on.
Nothing like putting my skills to good use. You haven't seen the last of me, you dirty bird!
1034. Patrol units are engaged with masked shooters. Officers needed in Upper Chinatown.
Spider-Man? Oh man, sweet outfit! Runway ready!
Pigeon target acquired.
Need you in the city.
No, there it goes! Nothing like putting my skills to good use. Today I learned I'm a terrible pigeon wrangler.